Hi, this is Jason with PTCI, and we are once again in the SmartHub app. We're looking on the PC version, and we are in the My Usage tab. Now, what you're going to see on here is this is tied to your cellular account. Over here on the far right, you'll see the account that it's tied with. If you have more than one, it shows you that it is the wireless account, okay? And it's got all of those listed right there that are tied to this account. Up at the top, it says usage cycle. It says there's 27 days remaining and tells me what day it ends, which is on August 26th, okay? And then tied to my account, it's got anytime unlimited voice and text in the first group. Shows me, though, just 3 minutes of that as we've just started a new billing cycle. Also on the line below that, unlimited picture messages tells me how many of those, unlimited text messages, how many of those have been used. And then the shared data, no overage, 60 gigabyte mobile data. That's the plan that this account has. It shows how many gigabytes have been used. And then right here below it says details. If you click on details and go down a little further, it shows you exactly how much usage is tied to each phone on your account. So you can look here if you're worried about somebody using too much of your data. You can see exactly which phone is using how much data. So that is the My Usage tab in SmartHub on your PC.